everyone. Today we're gonna talk about the trolley problem, which has the two scenarios. We also gonna share to you the answers of the three individuals that we have interviewed that shows their ethical and moral principles. So, from the scenario one, the switch. So let me explain first the first scenario. A trolley is speeding toward 5 workers on a track. You're standing next to a lever that can switch the trolley to another track. But on this track, only one person is working. The question is, do you pull the lever and divert the trolley to save 5, even though one person will die, or do you do nothing and let the trolley kill 5? For the scenario 2, the large man in the footbridge. So now let's move on to the second scenario. In this version, there's a runway trolley heading toward 5 people. You're standing on a footbridge around the tracks next to a very large man. The only way to stop the trolley is to push this man off the bridge. Killing him would saving the 5 people. The question is, would you push the man to save the 5 lives? So the first person we interviewed named Aika Itogo. She answered in the first scenario that she would not pull the lever in order to kill the 5 or the 1, because according to her, killing the one person is violating the human right. According to her also, that person have a right to live. In the scenario 2, she doesn't said yes or no, but rather she said that she would rather find a way that could stop the train rather than to kill the 1 and the 5. It shows that she is rather had the principle of a moral and ethical person.
So our second interview is usually condemned from the poet. So she answers in the first scenario that she will pull the lever in order to save 5, because saving 5 lives is less than 1. Then the second scenario is she will push the man in order to save 5 people.
The third person we interviewed is Miss Mary Jane from BSIT. In first scenario, she simply does not give an answer because maybe for her it's crucial to have a decision that will build her some guilt in her life. And the second scenario, she said no because in her perspective, it will be a crime to simply just kill one person in order to save the 5 people. This results that most students were more willing to pull the lever in a lever scenario, but fewer were willing to push the person in a footbridge scenario. This is because in the lever scenario, the action feels indirect. You are switching a track, not physically harming someone yourself. In the footbridge scenario, you must personally push someone to their death, which feels more emotional and more violent. Even if both situations save 5 people, the second one feels more morally wrong because it involves a direct physical harm.
In conclusion, the trolley problem helps us understand how people think about right and wrong. It shows how emotions affect decision making, the difference between intention and outcome, how different ethical theories apply in real-life situations. Even though it is not a real event, it helps us examine our values and moral reasoning in a clear and simple way. Thank you.